I've a similar video for the surface mount version of this product, but this is the unit that we sell when it comes complete with the green back box. So it's the exact same as the flush mounted version, so you have an open and closed contact here. So if you're terminating in here, this is a normally open contact. If you're terminating in here, it's normally closed, and you can terminate into it. You can actually terminate into both of them at the same time if you like. If you're trying to trigger one thing to say give an alarm output, and the other one just to release a mag lock at the door. So green call point. The only difference between this and the other one is this one is supplied with the back box. Typically we supply way more of these in the surface mount because people are putting them onto a flush mount box that's been first fitted by somebody else. But if you need the back box, we also have them as a separate product. Yeah, just wanted to show that to you as an alternative to the flush mount version, just as a complete unit. Thanks.